Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook an egg sunny side down, easy method. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add 1 teaspoon of oil or butter to coat. Crack the egg into a ramekin first to avoid shells and ensure a gentle slide into the pan. Cover the pan with a lid to trap steam and cook until whites are set and yolk remains runny. Follow these steps for consistent results. Crack into a bowl, warm your pan to medium-low, add 1 teaspoon of fat, then gently slide the egg in. Immediately cover the pan to create steam and let cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until whites are set and yolk still jiggles. Remove from heat, season simply, and rest briefly so the residual heat finishes the egg without overcooking the yolk. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation. Go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty. They stay cushioned through long cooking sessions and won't fall apart when you're on your feet prepping. I find them hilariously essential in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a pair if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Small adjustments make a big difference. Add a teaspoon of water and cover to steam the top quicker. Extend lid time by 30 to 60 seconds for a firmer yolk, or finish with herbs or cheese off heat. A lower temperature prevents browning and keeps texture silky. Practice once or twice to dial in your stove and pan, then this simple method becomes fast and reliable for breakfasts and sandwiches alike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.